Top 5 All-in-One Beard Trimmers for Men 2022. Beard trimmer is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Blade Trimmer. Recommended uses for product trimming: color chromatum WEIGHT 140 grams brand. Andis Power Sour Sebatory Powered Material Carbon Steel Self Sharpening Blades. It is essential for completing detailed work on hair, beards, and mustaches such as fading, outlining, and cutting with the help of self-sharpening blades. Durable, this cordless beard and hair trimmer for men has a long-lasting lithium-ion rechargeable battery that works with both 110V and worldwide 220 volts. A hair and beard trimmer for men that is ideal for travel. Quality gift. Men's beard trimmers are an excellent personal present. For every occasion, dads, husbands, and lovers will like this top-rated precision self-care trimmer. Used by professionals, Andis trimmers are used by professionals in the salon and barber industries and have utilized clippers and trimmers with self-sharpening precision blades and superior construction. Product details: Andis 32400 Slimline Pro Cordless Beard Trimmer measures 1.38 x 1.38 x 6.13 inches and weighs 4.94 ounces. The longevity of the blade life can be extended by oiling it before every use. Number 2. Wahl Peanut Classic Clipper Trimmer, Corded. Recommended uses for product: beard trimming, professional color Lithium WEIGHT 0.25 pounds brand. Wahl material: plasticity dimensions LXWXH 7.75 x 7 x 3.75 inches. Professional precision. Wahl's Professional Classic White Peanut Hair and Beard Clipper Trimmer is designed to deliver the sharp performance that experts demand, featuring the full-size power of a clipper in the convenience of a smaller size. Intended for professional use only. Stylish and convenient, the classic peanut clipper trimmer has a compact size and sleek design and offers an appealing aesthetic in addition to top-notch precision, function, and versatility. The ideal hair cutting tool. Ideal for beard trimming, the Wahl Peanut is a unique and high-quality professional tool. Accessories included. This American-made clipper trimmer comes with all accessories required for use by all hair care professionals. 1 clipper trimmer, 4 attachment comb cutting guides, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, a half, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, operating instructions and red blade guard, all of which are guaranteed for professional quality in your barbershop or salon. Number 3. Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 Beard Trimmer. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is an all-in-one trimmer with everything you need and nothing you don't. Our toughest multi-purpose trimmer boasts tempered steel cutting blades that self-sharpen and won't rust. The trimmer includes 13 pieces to trim your face and head, including a full-size steel trimmer, steel detailer, nose and ear trimmer, 3 hair cutting guards, 3 beard trimming guards, 1 stubble trimming guard, and a storage bag. The durable trimmer includes impact-resistant cutting guards, a steel-reinforced motor, and a powerful lithium battery delivering 60 minutes of run time. The blades and guards can be rinsed clean, and the device comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty. Number 4. Philips Norelco OneBlade. The Philips Norelco OneBlade is a revolutionary electric grooming tool with technology designed for men who wear facial styles, beards, or stubble. OneBlade trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. The unique OneBlade shaving technology integrates a fast-moving cutter, 200x per second, with a dual protection system to give you an efficient, comfortable shave on longer hairs. OneBlade does not shave too close, so your skin stays comfortable. The replaceable OneBlades last up to 4 months for best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results may vary. OneBlade comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty. Includes 1 OneBlade, 1 handle, 3 trimming combs, and 1 power charger. Number 5. Remington MB320C Barba.The Wahl lithium-ion trimmer is the most advanced rechargeable battery technology available. It's lighter weight, has almost no charge loss and storage, is environmentally smart, and has no memory issues. Best of all, it provides 3x the run time, 2x the torque, a 1-minute quick charge, and 1-hour full charge, which standard NIM-naked trimmers cannot do. This trimmer kit includes a T-blade attachment head for outlining and fading short haircuts, a precision detail head for trimming sensitive facial areas, and a dual shaver head for a smooth, close shave. A quiet, low-noise motor allows for easy, smooth trimming and shaving. The 19-piece grooming kit features 8 beard combs from 1/16 to a half for various cutting lengths. Equipped with the 1-minute quick charge for 3 minutes of instant power and fast 1-hour charge time for up to 3.5 hours of run time. The lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to a year without any memory issues. Made for USA electrical outlets only. Wahl's precision self-sharpening precision blades stay sharp longer and continuously sharpen over time. Oil between every few haircuts to increase the longevity of your trimmer motor and blades. Note: we test our trimmers for cutting performance before packaging with hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but it is possible a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find product links.